What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and today I'm going to be finally dropping the giveaway rules for the Air Jordan 11 Breds. I already posted a video over on my Instagram kind of explaining the rules, so if you don't follow me on my IG yet, as a part of giveaway rules, go follow me on my IG at DaVintage World, man. The link will always be in the description box below. Drop the video talking about who's a part of it, what we're doing, what we're giving away, the rules and all that type of stuff. But now on the YouTube channel, I'm going to drop that video here as well, so you guys can, be aware on the YouTube channel along with Instagram. Both of the accounts, IG and YouTube, are collabing together so we can pick a winner for these Air Jordan 11 Breds, man. All right, so before we get too deep into it, I want to let you guys know who's all a part of it. SkipGoesHard, Ron Got Soul, DaRetroWizKid, and KaptainKirk will be a part of this Air Jordan 11 Bred giveaway. All you gotta do is follow these two simple rules, man. So the first rule is subscribe to all 4 of our YouTube channels: me, Ron Got Soul, SkipGoesHard, DaRetroWizKid, and KaptainKirk. Subscribe to everybody's YouTube channel. It's very easy, one click of the button. Subscribe and follow us over on IG. Everybody's link will be in the description box below. And when you're done with all that, you're gonna have to comment done under the giveaway video that they post, which this one will be the giveaway video for the Air Jordan 11 Bred. You guys will know. You're gonna comment done, comment your shoe size, and then go over on IG and go to the video over there and comment done and your shoe size as well, man. Very simple rules. It's a free pair of shoes. I don't want to hear nobody complaining because it's very simple. Follow those simple rules, you can win a free pair of Air Jordan 11 Breds, man. Y'all know your boy. I did a couple of giveaways so far. I did one with unbreakable kicks. We gave away a pair of black cement 3s. And me, SkipGoesHard, and DaRetroWizKid gave a pair of cool gray 4s away this year, man. So we're giving back to you guys. Appreciate everything y'all do for us. And this giveaway is also going to give us more attention on our channel as well, man, to see what we bring to the table as far as the sneaker community, man. So make sure you take advantage of this giveaway. Free shoes, free shoes, free shoes. Who don't want free shoes, man? So follow the simple rules. You can win a free pair, and comment done under this video and the one over on IG, man. Very simple. And make sure your account is not private. Let's make sure that we can see who you're subscribed to. So have your stuff on public, don't have it on private. And also make sure your Instagram account isn't private as well, man, so we can just go search who you're following. We should see everybody's name there. And yeah, you could be entered to win a free pair of these Air Jordan 11 Breds, man. The deadline will be December the 6th, man. That's when we're gonna pick a name. We're gonna announce the winner, whoever won. If you don't win, don't worry, as you know that we've been doing giveaways kind of frequently. So make sure you stay rocking with the channels. Make sure you stay up to date, see who's collabing with who to do a giveaway. And yeah, you guys can win something free very soon, man. The more the channel grows, the more I can give back, and the more everybody else's channel can give back as well, man. So just keep rocking with us, keep liking the videos, keep commenting, keep sharing the videos. Everything really helps. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Take advantage of this giveaway, man. Peace.